BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, is a Chinese automotive behemoth that is quickly becoming a formidable rival to Tesla's dominance in the electric vehicle (EV) industry, which is experiencing rapid transformation. Because of its significant understanding in battery technology, BYD has been a key participant in the electric vehicle (EV) sector of the global market since its foundation in 1995 as a manufacturer of batteries. This has enabled the company to capitalize on its substantial knowledge in the field. Although Tesla first focused on high-end, luxury automobiles, BYD's goal involves a wide variety of affordable electric cars, ranging from compact models to commercial vehicles. This is in contrast to Tesla's initial concentrate on high-end, luxury automobiles. By doing so, the company is able to position itself in a way that will appeal to a more diversified audience. Vertical integration, a vast worldwide reach, and unrelenting innovation are some of the ways that BYD is transforming the landscape of electric mobility. This goes beyond simply competing with other companies. The objective of the company is to acquire a significant share of the market and to become a driving force in the development of environmentally friendly modes of transportation in the years to come. The success that BYD has had in the market for electric vehicles can be attributed to the company's significant experience as well as its innovative approach. BYD was formerly a manufacturer of batteries, but it has since shifted into the automobile business with the strategic goal of utilizing its cutting-edge battery technology to transform electric transportation. BYD has gained a competitive advantage as a result of its vertical integration, which allows the company to manage practically every step of the production process from the creation of batteries to the assembly of vehicles. A good example of this is the lithium-ion phosphate (LFP) batteries that are uniquely manufactured by the company. When compared to conventional lithium-ion choices, these batteries provide a number of advantages, including improved thermal stability, longer lifespans, and enhanced safety. Because BYD places a strong emphasis on the research, development, and manufacturing of its own batteries, the company is able to guarantee that their automobiles are not only economical but also dependable and of great performance. BYD has been able to maintain high standards and cost-effectiveness thanks to this technique, both of which are essential in the electric vehicle market, which is extremely competitive. In contrast to Tesla, which first focused on the premium market with vehicles such as the Roadster and Model S, BYD has adopted a strategy that is more accessible. The product lineup of the corporation includes everything from low-cost compact automobiles to high-end models, making it versatile enough to appeal to a wide range of customers. Because of this diversification, BYD is able to appeal to a wide range of market sectors and cater to a variety of consumer requirements and tastes, which ultimately allows the company to capture a larger portion of the worldwide market. BYD's success may be attributed in large part to the company's global expansion plan in addition to the company's extensive product lineup. A substantial presence has been established in Europe, South America, and Southeast Asia as a result of the company's active pursuit of international markets. This worldwide footprint is not solely composed of the exportation of automobiles. BYD has also made investments in local manufacturing facilities and key relationships. For instance, the corporation has already established assembly factories in Brazil, and it is currently making preparations to construct a factory in Thailand. With the help of these facilities, BYD is able to cut down on production and shipping costs, handle local regulatory frameworks more effectively, and take advantage of regional incentives for electric vehicles. Furthermore, BYD's concentration on commercial vehicles assists in complementing the company's push into overseas markets. In the market for electric buses, the company has established itself as a global leader, and it now supplies electric buses to cities all over the world, including in North America, Europe, and Asia. In light of the growing emphasis placed on lowering emissions and encouraging environmentally responsible public transportation on a global scale, this particular sector of the market has a considerable opportunity for expansion. Electric buses manufactured by BYD are famous for their dependability and cost-effectiveness, making them a viable alternative to conventional diesel-powered buses. Not only does this performance in the commercial vehicle sector contribute to the amount of cash that the company generates, but it also serves to underline the company's dedication to environmental sustainability. Yet another essential component of BYD's strategy is the company's approach to innovation. The company makes significant investments in research and development in order to maintain its position at the forefront of the electric car technology industry. The developments in battery technology, automated driving technologies, and connected car features are all included in this category. The commitment of BYD to research and development is supported by a network of research facilities and relationships with academic institutions. This enables the company to push the frontiers of what is possible in the field of electric mobility to achieve greater heights. For example, BYD's improvements in autonomous driving technology and smart connection are targeted at improving the safety and user experience of its vehicles, which will make them more appealing to consumers who are knowledgeable about technology. While BYD continues to compete with Tesla and other industry players, the company faces enormous obstacles. This is despite the fact that it has achieved remarkable growth and accomplishments. The high rivalry that exists in the electric vehicle market around the world is one of the key challenges. Tesla continues to be a dominant force for a number of reasons, including its strong brand reputation, its well-established charging infrastructure, and its track record of innovation. Additionally, major automobile manufacturers such as Volkswagen, General Motors, and Toyota are making significant investments in electric vehicles, which further intensifies the terrain of competition. In order for BYD to consistently separate itself from its competitors and keep its competitive edge, the company must continually innovate. BYD faces additional challenges, one of which is navigating the legislative and market dynamics of many nations. Different markets each have their own regulations, incentives, and preferences of consumers, all of which might have an effect on the potential of the company to be successful. For instance, although some nations provide considerable subsidies for electric vehicles, other nations may charge higher tariffs or have more stringent rules regarding emissions. BYD's capacity to adjust to these shifting conditions and successfully manage its operations across the globe will be absolutely necessary for the company to maintain its current level of success. The complexity of BYD's supply chain and quality management are becoming increasingly significant as the company expands its operations capacity. During the course of its rapid expansion, the company must take precautions to ensure that neither the quality of its vehicles nor the effectiveness of its supply chain are jeopardized. These include the management of connections with suppliers, the maintenance of high standards in manufacturing processes, and the resolution of any potential problems that may arise in relation to the production of batteries or the performance of vehicles. It will be crucial for the company to provide consistency and reliability across its entire product selection in order to keep the trust and loyalty of its customers. In order to address these issues, BYD has created an approach that incorporates multiple facets. The corporation continues to make investments in technological advancement and innovation in order to guarantee that its automobiles will continue to be competitive in terms of performance, safety, and environmental friendliness. Additionally, BYD is concentrating its efforts on developing its charging infrastructure in order to facilitate the mass adoption of electric vehicles and ease range anxiety among consumers. Furthermore, the company is actively seeking to improve its global partnerships and investigate new market prospects in order to expand its presence and reach. The capacity of BYD to capitalize on its strengths, efficiently solve problems, and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of the electric car market will determine whether or not the company is successful in battling Tesla and other competitors. The fact that the company places such a strong emphasis on technological innovation, vertical integration, and worldwide expansion places it in a strong position to maintain its growth trajectory and play an important role in the development of electric transportation in the future. BYD's efforts to lead the way in electric car research and production will be closely monitored by industry experts but also by customers. This is because the automotive industry is currently undergoing a dramatic shift towards sustainability. In the highly competitive world of electric vehicles, the ability of the company to navigate the complexity of the global market while retaining its dedication to innovation and quality will be of the utmost importance in deciding the company's long-term success. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.